If you're learning SAP MM today, the public cloud version is the future. Let me explain why. S/4HANA Public Cloud is SAP's cloud version where everything is managed, updated, and secured by SAP. Now let's understand how SAP MM works in this cloud environment. S/4HANA Public Cloud is a version of SAP where you don't install or maintain SAP in your company. SAP hosts everything on the cloud. You just log in through the browser and start working. It's faster, cheaper to maintain, and SAP automatically adds new features every quarter. In public cloud, SAP MM becomes more simplified. You still do PR, PO, GR, inventory, and invoice, but with a modern Fiori UI and guided steps. Most processes are predefined so companies follow best practices out of the box. Here are some powerful features. Guided buying means system guides you step by step. Faster MiGo with Fiori apps. Automated workflows for approvals, real-time stock visibility, AI-powered recommendations, quarterly updates with new functions. These make procurement faster and more accurate. In public cloud, there is limited customization. Instead, consultants work more on configuration, business processes, and best practice adoption. The good news is less technical work, more business-focused roles, and faster implementation projects. Companies are shifting to S/4HANA Public Cloud because it's cheaper, more secure, faster to set up, and offers automatic updates. No big servers, no long maintenance, everything is ready to use. S/4HANA Public Cloud is the future of SAP MM. If you are a fresher, learning cloud-based MM will give you a big advantage. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to SAP MM Hub for more MM concepts.